How to confirm a battery voltage on a Remedy Model 1001. How to confirm battery voltage. Here are the 3 simple steps for checking battery voltage. Step 1. Interrogate the device. Step 2. Select battery history icon on the summary screen. You will notice battery status and battery voltage on the top left-hand side. It is also visible on the summary screen above the battery history icon. Step 3 is to create a current parameter settings PDF that displays battery status and battery voltage. To do this, proceed to File in the Tool pull-down menu and select Print Current Settings. Here are the considerations regarding various battery status and voltages. A battery status of good is a measured battery voltage level that is above the elective replacement indicator level. For the Remedy device, that is any battery voltage above 2.6 volts. A battery status of ERI, elective replacement indicator, is a battery voltage less than 2.6 volts. And a battery status of EOL, end of life indicator, is a battery voltage less than 2.5 volts. There is no variation in Remedy device performance between a battery status that is good and an ERI battery status. When the device reaches EOL, Remedy therapy will be disabled. Consider increasing clinic visits to monitor battery level once battery voltage reaches 2.8 volts. Lastly, please contact a Zolrespicardia representative once a battery voltage reaches less than or equal to 2.6 volts. This video reviewed the steps for how to check battery voltage.